Did you know that a single sneeze can trigger an avalanche? It's true! In the right conditions, the sound waves from a sneeze can disturb the delicate balance of snow on a mountain slope. This quirky fact highlights the sensitivity of snow layers, which can be on the brink of collapse. Avalanches are not just about heavy snowfalls or loud explosions. Sometimes it's the smallest, most unexpected things that set them off. So next time you're on a snowy mountain, maybe hold that sneeze. Like, comment, and subscribe for more surprising stories.